Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I will be showing you how to set up subdomains for FeatherPanel. So in the last tutorial I showed you how to install FeatherPanel and we have the FeatherPanel up and running. In today's video I will be showing you how to set up subdomains. Make sure you have FeatherPanel installed. Go over to the admin area, scroll over down and click on subdomains, click on new domain, and here specify your domain. We are going to be using mysticguard.net. Cloudflare account ID, you have to have Cloudflare for this. Click on the Cloudflare. Now your account ID, if you go to your domain, mysticguard.net, for example, should be displayed on the overview page. If we scroll right down, we will see it. Click to copy. Make sure to paste it. Internal description, just let it be. And here at the override zone ID, you might want to turn it on and specify the zone ID of the domain over here. It works by default too, but if we can do it, why not? Next, we have to click add a mapping. We have to specify for what spell we want to do the mapping. We are gonna want to do it for paper because this is for Minecraft. Then we're gonna select paper, service Minecraft, TCP, temporarily, and 1 hour till. That's nice. Now click on create. And now we have to set up Cloudflare. So here you will have to set up a Cloudflare domain. Make sure to click on your profile inside Cloudflare and copy your domain. Make sure to paste it, and here it's going to ask you for your Cloudflare API key. Here, to get your API key, you have to click on API tokens. Then here you have to click on global API key, click on view, send a verification email. We are back. I got my global API key. Go back to your FeatherPanel, make sure to paste it in here and click on save changes. You can also give for each domain, for each server, more subdomains. We're just gonna choose one. Nice. Now, after you did that, you can go over to a server and click on create subdomain, and let's just create this. And as we can see, after we did set it up, we are just gonna get our subdomain. Nice! It did work. So that's how you set up subdomains for FeatherPanel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.